Hey, welcome back to our channel. Today is going to be a simple door swag. We're going to go on a cruise next month. So instead of just putting like a banner up, we wanted to make swags. And Kayla's going to help me. Say hi, Kayla.
Hey.
So she's going to make the one. Her and Andy are sharing a cabin, and Bubba and I are sharing a cabin. So she's going to help make her and Andy's. And did you want to explain it? What you have? No? Okay. Well, the main thing that we're going to use is these dollar Christmas trees. And then those are going to be like our base. Then we have things like these balls, ornaments. We're going to use some deco mesh. This I found, I didn't find it at Dollar Tree. I found it at Ollie's. We're gonna stick these in here. We might break it apart and put it in here. We needed some pipe cleaners. Not sure if we're gonna use both colors. Some zip ties. Their centerpiece is going to be this church. They have some stars. Not sure if she's going to use them all. They have these Santa Claus ornaments that they're going to put on. I have blue and silver for the one I'm going to put on Bubba's. And then they're going to make a ribbon with these. So we're going to open up everything and then come back and explain everything that we're doing. Okay, right now we're going to flatten our Christmas trees out so they will lay flat on the door like this. And then we'll start filling the pieces in. So, just like Kayla's doing, and then they're going to be side by side. So we're just going to pull them out like so. So then we're gonna end up putting them together like this, and it'll make one big, swag. So when you put it, Kayla, you're gonna put them. See how you did them flat? Don't put them back to back. You're gonna put them side to side, and then it's gonna lay flat like that. So then you can fluff it up. So now once the pieces, it's going to be a little teardrop shape. I'm going to zip tie them together. Make sure you pull it really tight too. No, you don't zip tie the bottom part. Just the top part you're going to zip tie. Yeah, but they need to be really close together. Because then you can put another zip tie in the middle, and that's going to be like the hanger. Did you put the zip tie? No, it needs to be up here. Move that down to up here. And then cut off the extra. And then it should be a little teardrop shape. Okay, so I'm gonna finish fluffing mine out. So it's that little teardrop. And then Kayla's gonna wrap hers in green, the top part. The top. She's gonna wrap hers with this green, and I'm going to use the silver to wrap mine. And this is just to cover up these ends where it's all frayed. Make sure you don't do it too loose. Make sure you do it. And twist it a couple times. That's it. Just a couple times. Just like that. So, and I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to use this blue that I had left over, blue and silver, and I have white. So I'm going to do the same thing, and since I did one, I'm just going to break and then come back and show you how it looks when it's finished. Okay, this is how it's looking so far. You can't really see mine because it's white on white. Kayla's, this is how hers is looking so far. She's getting hers. And she's going to put her centerpiece in. And I'm going to put my centerpiece in where it is. Oh, mine is this one. And mine's gonna go right here. Like that. Okay. So let me put some of these on each side for the contrast, and you can see. Okay, so we put everything on our trees. It was basically fillers. This is mine. I used my little snowman. I put a little, what do you call that? I don't know what that thing is called. Oh, a snowflake in the middle. And then I got these. These were at Ross. They were, I don't know what they are, but they look like little beads, silver beads. And then Carol's gonna show you hers.
This one is mine. And
She
got the
had
little
it.
frillies on the top.
Yeah, we got those from Ollie's. They were 89 cents.
And then there's a star right here. And then two little men and then a church.
Okay, so there you have it. Quick and easy swag for our door, for our cruise.
Yep,
So
people can walk by the room and be like, oh my god, that's that person, that's that person.
yes.
And take pictures and be like, oh my god, I love your weave. Can you make one for me? No, sorry, I'm sorry.
Okay, and till then, see you when we see y'all. Bye. So now